an industrial-grade BLE-to-WiFi gateway, fully functional with dashboard and MQTT, running on 2 SoC chips, built in 30 minutes with the help of Adsum IoT Coder agent.
Let me show you what's running first, then how it was built. This dashboard is served from the board itself. The status page, Wi-Fi connected, MQTT connected. The device tab, every BLE sensor the board hears, with MAC addresses and signal strength. Configuration, Wi-Fi, broker settings, device whitelist, or editable right here. And live logs streaming straight from the firmware. On the MQTT side, every advertisement arrived as JSON, one topic per device. The board is a Fanstel BWG840, an off-the-shelf industrial gateway. Companies buy these ready-made and deploy them at scale. Inside, 2 chips, an nRF52 840 for the Bluetooth side and an ESP32 for Wi-Fi, talking over a single UART. A real production hardware, and the same workflow works on any board. In VS Code, I open Adsum IoT Coder. It detects the toolchain on its own, nRF Connect SDK and ESP-IDF. I pass the prompt, the whole spec. Access point, setup mode, MQTT publishing, whitelist, watchdogs, and LED patterns. And the board spin details at the end. The full prompt is in the description. First thing it does, it loads its firmware knowledge files, written by engineers, pulled in based on what this build needs. Then it plans. Here is the sequence diagram. A BLE advertisement into nRF, over UART bridge, to ESP, and out to MQTT. The file structure for both projects: Zephyr on the Nordic side, ESP-IDF on the expressive side, then it starts writing code. This part is sped up. It's the full build compressed. The BLE scanner on the nRF forwarding every advertisement it hears. The UART protocol between the chips framed packets with checksums. The web server with the whole dashboard embedded in the firmware, it works with no internet. And the MQTT client with reconnect and backoff. Then it builds. Both projects, real toolchains. When something fails, it reads the build output, fixes it, and retries on its own. The build passes, it flashes both chips. Serial monitor, boot is clean, peripherals up, the web server starts, and Wi-Fi connects. Back to the browser. The gateway is on the network. MQTT up, sensor data flowing. It saves the full session log to a file too, everything the board printed since boot. Same logs live in the dashboard. 2 chips, 1 prompt, working firmware. Try it on your board. AdsumNetworks.com